What you're looking at is not an animation, and once you understand what you're actually seeing, it changes everything. That is a real fly brain running inside a computer. Every single one of its 125,000 neurons and 50 million synaptic connections was copied from electron microscope scans, neuron by neuron, and uploaded into a simulation with a digital body. When they turned it on, it walked, it groomed itself, and it followed taste signals toward food. Not because anyone programmed it to do those things, but because that is exactly what its biological brain told it to do. This is not artificial intelligence, and that distinction matters more than people realize. AI is built from scratch by humans. What Eon Systems did here is fundamentally different. They copied a biological brain and ran it inside a machine, which means what you are watching is real biological intelligence operating in a world that does not physically exist. And if stories that genuinely change how you see the future are why you follow this channel, hit follow because this one is only getting bigger. Here is where things get serious. Eon's next target is the mouse brain, which contains roughly 70 million neurons, making it 560 times more complex than the fly. And after the mouse, their stated goal is human-scale brain emulation. 10 years ago, we could barely map a brain, and now we are running one inside a simulation. If a brain can be fully copied, the question of whether that copy is still you stops being a philosophical thought experiment and starts being something we actually have to answer. Where do you stand on this, exciting or terrifying? Let me know in the comments and follow my page for more stories like this.